Unit 4, Visiting a Factory, Basic Expressions. We look forward to our tour of your plant.
If it is not too much trouble, we would like to talk to some of the technicians.
We learned a lot about your facilities and the process of winemaking.
We're interested in learning about your food making and packaging process.
It was very kind of you to give me a tour of the plant.
You will surely know the products better after the visit.
Let me give you this list of departments first.
Next to each department is its location and the name of the manager.
Please let us know when you will be free so that we can arrange the tour for you.
Does the plant work with everything from the raw material to the finished product?
Conversations. Dialogue 1. If you are staying here for a few days, we'd be delighted to see you at our factory.
It's very kind of you to say so. My associate and I will be interested in visiting your factory.
Let us know when you are free. We'll arrange the tour for you.
Thank you. I'll give you a call this afternoon to set the time. There's nothing like seeing things with one's own eyes.
That's for sure. You'll know our products better after the visit. Dialogue 2. I'll show you around and explain the operation as we go along.
That'll be most helpful.
That is our office block. We have all the administrative departments there. Down there is the research and development section.
How much do you spend on development every year?
About 3 to 4% of the gross sales.
What's that building opposite us?
That's the warehouse. We keep a stock of the faster-moving items so that urgent orders can be met quickly from stock.
If I placed an order now, how long would it be before I got delivery?
It would largely depend on the size of the order and the items you want. Dialogue 3.
How large is the plant?
It covers an area of 75,000 square meters.
It's much larger than I expected. When was the plant set up?
In the early 70s. We'll soon be celebrating the 30th anniversary.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
How many employees do you have in this plant?
500. We're running on 3 shifts.
Does the plant work with everything from the raw material to the finished product?
Our associates specializing in these fields make some accessories. Well, here we're at the production shop. Shall we start with the assembly line?
That's fine.
Dialogue 4. Put on the helmet, please.
Do we need to put on the jackets too?
You'd better to protect your clothes. Now please watch your step.
Thank you. Is the production line fully automated?
Well, not fully automated.
I see. How do you control the quality?
All products have to go through 5 checks in the whole manufacturing process.
What's the monthly output?
1,000 units per month now, but we'll be making 1,200 units beginning with October.
What's your usual percentage of rejects?
About 2% in normal operations.
That's wonderful. Is that where the finished products come off?
Yes. Shall we take a break now? Dialogue 5.
It was very kind of you to give me a tour of the place. It gave me a good idea of your product range.
It's a pleasure to show our factory to our customers. What's your general impression, may I ask?
Very impressive indeed, especially the speed of your MW model.
That's our latest development. A product with high performance. We put it on the market just 2 months ago.
The machine gives you an edge over your competitors, I guess.
Certainly. No one can match us as far as speed is concerned.
Could you give me some brochures for that machine, and the price if possible?
Right. Here is our sales catalog and literature.
Thank you. I think we may be able to work together in the future.
Substitution drills. 1. Let us know when you are free. We'll arrange the tour for you.
Thank you. I'll give you a call this afternoon to set the time.
Would you please tell me your schedule so we can arrange the visit for you?
Let me see. I'm quite free Friday afternoon. Does that suit you?
Please tell us the time that suits you for us to set up the visit.
Tuesday next week will be best for me, if that's possible.
2. I'll show you around and explain the operations as we go along.
That'll be most helpful.
I'll guide you through the factory and ask our people to give you a demonstration of our latest models.
That'll be very interesting.
I'll take you around the factory and show you our machines in operation.
We'd like that very much. 3. How large is the plant?
It covers an area of 75,000 square meters.
How large is the machine shop?
Its total area is 4,000 square meters.
How large an area does this warehouse cover?
It covers a total area of 5,000 square meters.
4. When was the plant set up?
In the early 70s.
When did you start the factory?
Some 20 years ago, by merging 2 small-sized ones.
How long has your factory been established?
We've been operating for about 10 years.
5. Do we need to put on the jackets?
You'd better protect your clothes.
Do we have to wear the helmets?
You should protect your heads.
Must we wear the masks?
I'm afraid you must protect your lungs.
6. Is the production line fully automated?
Well, not fully automated.
Is the production line fully computer controlled?
Well, not fully computer controlled.
Is the production line fully mechanized?
Yes, fully mechanized. 7. How do you control the quality?
All products have to go through 5 checks in the whole manufacturing process.
How do your quality control systems operate?
There's a total 5 checks in the whole manufacturing process.
What kind of quality control do you have?
All products have to pass strict inspection before they go out. 8. It gave me a good idea of your product range.
It's a pleasure to show our factory to our friends.
It gave me a good understanding of your products.
I am glad it was useful.
It gave me a good picture of your product areas.
I'm pleased you found it helpful. 9. What's your general impression, may I ask?
Very impressive, especially the speed of your NW model.
What do you think of our plant?
I was very impressed. You have fine facilities and efficient people.
We'd like to have your suggestion and comments.
I'm impressed by your approach to business. 10. If it is not too much trouble, we would like to talk to your plant manager.
If it is not too much trouble, we would like to talk to your general manager.
If it is not too much trouble, we would like to talk to your delivery department director.
11. We look forward to our tour of your factory.
We look forward to visiting your company.
We look forward to contacting you next month.
12. We learned a lot about your facilities.
We learned a lot about the process of winemaking.
We learned a lot about the technology of winemaking.
We learned a lot about the skills of driving.